shocked he's not running off.
He'll say, wait a minute.
Hi! Hello, welcome back. We came to our favorite place, the nature preserve, and we're just having a little nature hike. When we first got here, we ran into this awesome man named Russ, and he had a big old camera with a big old lens.
Giant.
And he stopped, and we just spent like the last 20 minutes with him talking about birds, and he was showing us this hummingbird feeder. And what did we see when we first got here? We saw a horny toad.
Hey, it's okay. Oh no! Look what I found, guys.
No, he's not poison, Bubba.
But I do want to hold him.
I'm going to see if I can get a picture of you real quick.
Okay, back up. He's trying to take a picture, okay?
Horny.
Yeah, so fun.
No, we're going this way.
We're gonna go this way.
We always go out.
This way. So, we're here to hike. We got all the kids. We got Dad pushing the stroller with all the snacks and waters. We're gonna have a wonderful day. It's beautiful. Sun is shining.
I saw the bird.
You saw a bird?
Yeah, I'm hummingbird. Mommy, what's that I'm moving?
I don't know.
Mom, I'm not dead.
What did you find?
A
A little library?
leave a book, take a book.
How fun is that?
Presented by HEB.
Ooh, next time we'll have to bring a book
But
and leave a book.
Uh,
We can just leave one. You don't have to take one.
Do I need any sweeping?
Do you need, you're gonna go dig a hole for us?
Yeah. No, it doesn't look. Guys, you have never seen this place before. Mom, look, it's a fairy.
it's a fairy hut.
Mom, there was a crocodile. Mom,
Somebody left their crocodile. Oh no!
Oh, I think it was a boy. Hey, it's not a real crocodile.
It's just a fake one.
They're so pretty up there. Right, Mama?
Yeah.
Like, it's so pretty. But the leaves are kind of blocking your way. They need help! Miss Lee's.
Mom, watch this.
I'm keeping it.
You're keeping it?
Yeah.
Mom, watch. Kill me, leaves.
Mom,
Look at this.
Mom, I want to go down there.
No, come over here.
Mommy, there are slide. Roasting a bunny. Now, come here.
Sawyer.
I didn't see him.
There's a cardinal back there.
Oh, I see him.
Do you see the bunny, Bubba?
Yeah. Yes. Oh, Mom, I didn't see a Donald.
All right.
Hey, look at that other bridge.
The what?
The other bridge.
That
Yeah.
little bridge.
Mama,
All right,
look
let's
at that
go.
river.
I'm gonna go on that bridge.
Bye,
Go
man.
walk with the girls. You enjoying today?
I am.
Beautiful day.
It is.
We need to do this more
We do.
so that Sawyer doesn't cry the whole time we're walking. All right, we had so much fun at the nature trail. We got a good 1.5 mile walk in. We saw all kinds of wildlife out there today. I feel like, which the last few times we went, it was still technically winter, so everything was probably hibernating. But today it was just, there were lizards and birds and bunnies everywhere. It was amazing. So we had so much fun. We ran a couple errands after we left there. And then Darren and I are going on a date night tonight. We had some friends invite us to go see a movie. It's the new movie called Air about Michael Jordan's shoe. So the kids are with my parents and we're about to head out and go to the movies. So thank you for hanging out with us today. It was so fun. We appreciate you. Thank you for coming back to our channel. We will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe if you aren't already, and we will see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.